The tragic myth of Medusa, a tale of beauty, betrayal, and revenge. Introduction. Medusa, a name that has echoed through time, striking fear and fascination into those who hear it. But who was she really? A monster? A victim? Or something far more complex? This is the story of Medusa, her origins, her curse, and the legacy that turned her into one of mythology's most haunting figures. Medusa's origins. Among the three Gorgon sisters, Stheno, Uriel, and Medusa, only Medusa was mortal. Some say they were ancient beings of chaos, while others claim they were daughters of the sea god's forces and Ceto. Unlike her monstrous sisters, Medusa was known for something else, her extraordinary beauty. Medusa's beauty and her curse. Medusa's beauty was said to be unmatched. In one of the most tragic versions of the myth, she was a devoted priestess of Athena, sworn to a life of celibacy. But fate had other plans. In some accounts, she was seduced by Poseidon. In others, she was violated against her will in Athena's temple. Regardless of the version, Athena's reaction was merciless. Some say the goddess punished Medusa for desecrating her temple, while others believe it was an act of jealousy. Medusa's long, flowing hair transformed into writhing serpents, her once radiant face became monstrous, and her gaze turned deadly, capable of turning anyone who met her eyes to stone. No longer a maiden of beauty, she became a figure of terror, banished to a distant land. Perseus and the Deadly Quest. Years later, Perseus, a young hero, was given an impossible task: slay Medusa and return with her head. Armed with divine gifts, a mirrored shield from Athena, winged sandals from Hermes, a sword, and Hades' helm of invisibility, he set off on his perilous journey. He found Medusa deep within her lair. Using Athena's shield as a mirror, he avoided her petrifying gaze. With a swift strike, he severed her head, ending her suffering but not her power. The aftermath, a legacy beyond death. Even in death, Medusa's legacy endured. From her severed neck sprang Pegasus, the winged horse, and Chryse, a warrior born of her tragic fate. Perseus carried her head as a weapon, using it to turn enemies to stone before gifting it to Athena, who placed it on her Aegis shield as a symbol of both protection and destruction. Medusa's lasting symbolism. Was Medusa truly a monster, or was she a victim of divine cruelty? Some see her as a symbol of female rage, the price of injustice, and the power of reclaiming one's story. Others view her as a terrifying force, one that heroes must overcome. But one thing is certain: Medusa's story has transcended myth, continuing to captivate and haunt us to this day. Medusa's tale is one of tragedy, power, and transformation, a story that still resonates today. But what do you think? Was she a villain, or was she a victim of divine cruelty? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into mythology, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more legendary stories. And if you want to see more myths unveiled, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.